place?
Soundwave's old workshop. Just dump your trash anywhere. He doesn't care.
Uh-oh. He started.
Better get moving.
Yeah, I'm in no hurry to please Starscream. So far, his leadership has been a complete disaster.
Decepticons! Starscream demands absolute loyalty from all of my subjects. Onslaught and his combatants chose to disobey my order. They chose to break my law. There is no greater act of treason than disobeying my direct orders. I am the leader. All of you serve me. Any one of you tonight, all learn the fate of those who choose to defy me. Of extreme importance that you should commit to memory. Yourself, 300 disobedient.
Controls now available for limb attachment sequence. Use limb attachment
Think about
sequence.
that for a moment. Think of the most terrible thing you can possibly do in your unvetted mind. Now, double it. Now triple it. That is the kind of terrible thing I am talking about.
Eject.
Get ready to crumble before rumble!
Operation Brain Module Fusion.
You believe this? Here, boss.
Commence welding sequence. Commencing dark energon fusion. In 3, 2, 1. Balancing auditory sensors. Optic circuits online.
Where am I?
Kaon, my lab near the gladiator arenas.
Where is Starscream?
Decepticons! A new age is upon us. Gone are the failures of Megatron.
Ah! Enjoy your brief respite as leader. It will not last. Rejoice, my Decepticons! Victory is nearly ours! Soundwave, rally Shockwave and the other loyalists. I have a speech of my own to give.
As you command, Leader Megatron.
That's Megatron! He's back! How did he come back? Got to alert Optimus!
What's your telepathy enhancing the original design?
Never improve upon perfection, Soundwave.
Megatron, I have contacted Shockwave. He and the others will meet you in the arena.
Excellent.
I'd hate to be Starscream right now.
Concerns have been expressed about our energon stores. I assure you, for those who are loyal to me.
Yes, Lord Megatron.
Your allegiance to me will ensure you an eternal supply of energon. Who dares to disrupt my coronation?
Coronation, Starscream! This is bad comedy.
Megatron! Decepticons! I am your true leader now, and I order you to attack Megatron! Now!
That's Megatron! But he was crushed!
Probable resurrection is too late. The Decepticon army is now loyal to me. The reign of Starscream has begun!
And now, it will end.
Destroy him!
I think they had it up! Decepticons! For Starscream! You dare attack me? Martyr as many of your fools as you wish, Starscream. I'm just breaking in my new system.
Attack! Attack!
Come on! You heard Starscream! Yes, come! There is no greater honor than to fall at the hand of a king. You're gonna be a smoking pile of Starscream! It was in this gladiatorial arena I proved myself worthy to lead!
That day has long passed.
That day will live forever! All fuel for the fire!
Cowards! Is there no one left who would challenge this pretender to the throne?
Fight your own battle, Starscream. Unless
Starscream! Your mockery of a reign is over!
You will pay for this, Megatron!
You want us to chase him down? Finish him off? He's not worth the time. Starscream's penchant for self-worship has severely drained our energon supply. What's the plan, sir? Before my attack on Autobot City, Shockwave informed me of a discovery in the Sea of Rust. He is on his way now to report. Yes, Lord Megatron. Decepticons! Megatron has returned! Would you destroy it already? Look out below! Woohoo! Nice one!
Starscream got what he deserved. Doubt we'll see much more of him.
Long live Megatron! We always knew you'd come back, Megatron! Shockwave, report!
All hail Megatron. I've built a replica of the tower I found in the Sea of Rust. The ancients used it to unlock space portals in high orbit over Cybertron.
Excellent. I assume you've already found a suitable planet.
Affirmative. The world is primitive, but rich with raw energy. All that we require now is a space transport with a strong enough power core to fly us there.
I'll handle that. Shockwave, ready your tower. We leave now!